If you're running a hotel, you're probably leaving thousands, if not millions, of dollars on the table. Why? Because guests are frustrated with long wait times, language barriers, slow booking processes, and inconsistent customer service. But what if I told you there's a way to fix all of this with one solution? Introducing the AI chatbot that works 24/7, handles customer service, increases bookings, and boosts revenue, all without adding extra staff. Let me show you how it works. Every day, hotels lose bookings simply because of language barriers. Our AI chatbot removes that friction. It speaks multiple languages fluently, making your hotel more welcoming to international guests. Imagine instantly converting website visitors from different countries into paying guests without hiring multilingual staff. More languages equals more bookings. Simple. 80% of front desk inquiries are repetitive. Let's be honest, your staff's time is wasted answering the same questions over and over. Our chatbot does it instantly so your team can focus on real guest experiences. But here's where it gets even better. It learns your guests' preferences. That means more personalized experiences, happier guests, and better reviews. The hotels that personalize guest interactions win. Slow booking processes kill sales. If your booking process takes more than a minute, guests will leave and book somewhere else. Our AI chatbot makes reservations in seconds, without staff involvement. And here's where it prints money. Our chatbot suggests upgrades and premium services automatically. More room upgrades, more spa bookings, more revenue. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson working for you. Bad reviews kill businesses. Most complaints happen because guests can't get quick support. Our chatbot fixes that by solving issues instantly, whether it's Wi-Fi problems, room service requests, or directions to local attractions. And for bigger issues, it instantly notifies the right staff member, ensuring problems are solved before they turn into bad reviews. The result? Higher guest satisfaction, better reviews, and more repeat customers. The hotels that dominate the industry are the ones that innovate first. This AI chatbot isn't the future, it's the present. If you're not using it, you're already behind. But here's the good news. You can integrate it today and start seeing results immediately. More bookings, more revenue, better guest experiences. The only question is, are you ready to level up? Click the link below to get a free demo and see how AI can transform your hotel instantly. Comment below and let me know, what's the first thing you would automate? And hey, if you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. AI isn't the future, it's now.